Hey everybody, what's going on? So this is going to be my first unboxing video. Um, I need to start off by saying that BIQU is not a sponsor of my channel. My channel is actually brand spanking new. They had no clue that I even had a channel. This was just a prize that I won. I did a contest that was on their Facebook page, and surprisingly I won. So this is what I won. I got an H2 extruder, which actually I've been really wanting. So that was a pretty cool thing. So anybody out there that's complaining that contests are faked, rigged, and whatnot, this is full on real. They had no clue that I had a YouTube channel, nor did they say anything about me posting a video about this. They was just a, hey, congratulations, you're the lucky winner, and what's your address? And I was like, are you sure? Is that serious? And so sent them, and yes, it came actually surprisingly fast. It came within a week, so that was really impressive. Normally when I order things online, it's about 3 weeks or more, so which is typical. I mean, that's just the way it is, but this came in really fast. So anyways, I'm gonna do an unboxing here because I've never seen one of these in person, only pictures. So yeah, let's open it together. My YouTube channel is, like I said, completely new. I recently picked up 3D printing several months back and got quickly addicted to the hobby. I love all the techie creative side of it, so it's really doing me well. And yeah, I decided to just start the YouTube channel because I just want to share what I learn and all my little mishaps and things that maybe can help out others, and doing things like this, unboxing stuff, if I ever buy new products, and I guess when I buy new products, because that's part of the hobby, isn't it? So anyways, yeah, what do we got in here? We got the instructions, of course, a whole breakdown of what this thing is. Pretty standard stuff. Nicely packaged, actually. Oh, we got velvet packaging, hard foam with velvet texture. That's pretty nice. Even the little inserts, wow. Kind of impressive with packaging. So here it is. It comes with a silicone shield on it, or whatever that's called. Sock, I guess people say. Oh, it's really in there. So let's see. I almost dropped my camera in my... Oh, don't want to tear that out. Anyways, yeah. Almost dropped my camera. I'm doing this one hand. It's so professional, aren't I? As you can tell. Brand new channel. Anyways, let's see here. Get this thing out of here. No, maybe this is supposed to come off. I know a lot of people are like, ugh, worst video ever. You don't know how to unbox. Yeah, I just tore that apart. But let's get this out. That is definitely not going to be flopping around in shipping. There it is. Man, this thing is light. And tiny. I love that venting system there. Cooling and keep the heat away from going down. It's really nice. Seems like a quality product. Nice smooth action. I'm gonna have fun installing this. So anyways, yeah, nothing too exciting. If you guys are into 3D printing, you've probably already seen tons of these because this isn't a brand new product, but it's super new to me. And yeah, I'm excited. What else is in here? We got, oh, there's their ducks. Got a little duck. And all the wires and fans and heaters and thermostats. Ferrules on the cables. So yeah, pretty nice. I'm happy. But anyways, yeah, thanks for watching. Hopefully in the future my videos get a lot better quality. That is my plan. So if you're interested, follow me. If not, that's fine. I understand this was a terrible video. Anyways, I'm keeping it real. Hope you guys have a good day. Talk to you later.